Hi. Some time ago I had to delete my second table because this room is just too small. That means that I also had to get rid of my router table. Now I have to find a new solution for that. Some time ago I ordered this kind of set. It was quite cheap. It wasn't the cheapest, but it was quite cheap. Main plate, which is made out of aluminium. This seems to be pretty okay. Everything else in this set, well, how can I say, feels pretty cheap. The first problem is this one. There is this kind of rails. Obviously this should move freely in these slots. It just doesn't do that. Before I will start to build any table, I have to figure out what's the problem. Okay, now it's much better. It's still a little bit sticky, but something good. This Makita part will fit to these screws. Might be that this is some kind of standard. Now I can start to build some kind of table, just a basic one, kind of a portable table. I'm going to use this leftover piece of multiplex. The size is good. This side is a little bit rough. There is some oil or something. So I'm going to use this side. Next I will just cut a hole here and slot with my router that I can make this flush with the surface. Might be that I have to put something between when I will tighten these screws. Tiny bit gap here. Perfect now. To make this stand, I'm going to use OSB. I have so many of these laying around. I think I'm going to use this. That's 18 millimeters thick. I want this stand to be as low as possible, that I can still fit this router inside. I don't want to make the whole size table. I just want to make a small table which I can lift on the table or outside on those wood horses what I have there. Doesn't look that bad. I think it looks pretty good. Obviously, if I will use it here, for example, on the table, I will just clamp it here, so it won't move anywhere. It's very, very stable. The problem with this set is that there's no place for my vacuum. There is a hole, but there's nothing that I can attach my vacuum here. I have to make something. This is from my old router table. Obviously I don't need this anymore. I could use this part maybe. This thing is so bad. Let's try silicone spray. Wow, quite a difference. I don't know how often I have to put that, but silicone spray. Problem solved. Obviously, because this hole is so small, you can't use it with the bit like this, for example. But that's fine. I think I never use this fence with something like this. Okay, let's make a test. I'm sure this vacuum doesn't work well. This hole is so small. Wasn't that bad actually. I'm sure that most of this wood dust, maybe it's going under here. Actually, I don't mind that much that this dust doesn't go all to this vacuum. Some of this dust is going down inside the box, and that's fine. I can clean this box, it doesn't matter. Important thing is that this dust all doesn't fly here all over the room. I'm sure that it will work in my use. If it doesn't, then I have to think about something else. Thanks for watching. Bye.